Hello friends, let's today talk about this. This is a kind of format with this receiver. You have 4 channels and in your receiver you receive 4 channels. This module called YK04 and this one use RF signal to receive the signal from the receiver. So in this video we're going to test this one. Let's see how it works and how can we use it with the Arduino. So let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is going to hook this one to the power and check the output signal with the multimeter. So the first pin is ground and the second is 5 volt, and this 4 other pin is for signal, and there is one more pin which is no matter which pin you press, this will get high. So let's hook it into the breadboard. I've connected in the breadboard, and let's use a multimeter. Here you can see we connect the module with 5 volt. So let's connect the pin to the first receiving pin of this module, and let's press the button on the transmitter and let's see what we get here. Yes, when I pressing the button, as you can see, we get 5 volt here. When I release, it goes to 0. So now let's connect it to the Arduino and get that signal and display. Whenever we press, it display something to the screen here. So let's get to it. I've connected an OLED display to the Arduino and also my receiver module to the Arduino. I've connected the receiver just like this, to my Arduino. The first pin is the ground, the second is the 5 volt, and this 4 pin is for the signal. So I connect the first one to pin 8, 9, 10 and 11, and whenever I press any pin from the transmitter, I get a signal here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to read that signal by the function of digital read, and whenever there is a signal here, I display something. For example, whenever there is a signal into my pin 8, which is whenever I press the A button, so I'm going to print A on my OLED display screen. This is the code. This is a very simple code. The first thing I did is include the library for my OLED display and define the pins and that on. In the setup, this is all for the display, nothing is for the module. Here in the loop side, first of all, I did F function and digital read my all pins, pin 8 equal to low. So it means if the digital pin 8 is low and digital pin 9 is low and 10 and so on, whenever all of my buttons are low, what it does, it displays the set cursor to this place and display me not. Whenever all of my pins are low, it display not. And whenever one of my pins, if digital read 8, it means whenever my digital pin 8 is high, it display me A, which is the button on the transmitter. And whenever my pin 9 is high, it display me B, and just like that. So let's upload this code and see what we get. So I have uploaded the code into my Arduino. So now let me press A and see what we get here. Whenever I press A, I get A on the display. When I release, I get not. And when I press B, I get B. And when I press pin B, I get not. My transmitter pin C not works, so let's test the D. And when I press D, I get D on the screen. If you think why it responds very late, that's because of the delay I use on the code. I removed those delay and let's test it again. You see, now it responds really fast. Just like that, you can turn off or turn on something. You can do as many things you want by this module. And I think the range of this one is about 100 meters. I didn't test it yet, but I'm gonna test the range and I will let you know. So as I can see, this module is really useful and really good for some projects. If you like this video, please subscribe. If you have any question, let me know in the comment below. Feel free to like this video, share with your friends, and make sure to subscribe. Have a nice time.